Raspberry Pi है हमारा. Can you see this Raspberry Pi? Fine. I've shown you this Raspberry Pi. This has this 4 USBs here with the Ethernet here. Okay, visible है ये?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this is the another side. Here you have the sound port. Okay. Here is the sound port here. Then you have HDMI, micro USB. Fine. And on this, if I move it like this here, you can see here at this particular end. Okay, there is a display port. This is my SoC chip. When I move like this, exactly at the back there is a SD card holder. Okay, in which I can push the SD card like this. I can push it like this. Very gently you have to push it. ज़्यादा pressure नहीं देना है. Pressure दिया गड़बड़ हो सकता है. Done. My SD card is in. I can very easily slightly remove this SD card. Fine. And apart from this, here there is a display one more, and this is my GPIOs. Apart from this, what you need? You need a SD card reader so that you can format the SD card. And definitely you need some softwares also. I'll give the list of softwares and I'll give you the link of the software. So this is the SD card. A very smaller version of SD card reader, only meant for this micro SD. Okay. Now I can connect to this. Okay. I can connect the wireless mouse. Okay. I have a wireless mouse. I can use this dongle. Same way I can connect the wireless keyboard or wired keyboard, whatever you feel like. Then suppose if you have a HDMI monitor, you require one HDMI to HDMI cable. Here you have HDMI port here. So you require HDMI to HDMI cable. Fine. And definitely to power up. Now many of the students, what they do, they power up the Raspberry Pi with the mobile adapter. Don't ever do that. Okay. We need at least 5 volts 2.5 amperes adapter for Raspberry Pi. So this is 5 volt 2.5 volts 5 volts 2.5 amperes adapter. Okay, it is needed. A high current is needed for the communication one. And suppose if you have your VGA monitor, your monitor is of older pattern, then you can use this type of cable. Okay, this is type of cable which is called as, here there is HDMI and here there is VGA. This is called as HDMI to VGA cable. Now, additionally what I have is this a small screen. This is my touch screen. Okay, I have one touch screen. I use this basically. Okay, I generally when I develop my projects, I use this touch screen. Not needed since I'm more interested in this gadget, so I have taken this touch screen. Many of the time I can use my Raspberry Pi as like a gaming console. मैं छोटा सा tablet जैसा उसको use कर सकता हूँ. Fine. So this is my agent. So these are all the accessories which I've told you. This is Raspberry Pi. This is card reader. Okay, and all these things. Now I'll just unshare the screen.